Nice. Special.
She struggles to kneel.
Siku ya leo ni siku ya muhimu sana kwetu hapa Kirarapon Ngong, ikiwa ni siku ya Greening Schools program, which is an initiative where we make sure that all kids, school going pupils and students in the secondary school will adopt a tree each. So the exercise, they're going to plant trees, and in today's activity we have over 1,500 trees, whereby we are going to plant here at Kirarapon Primary and School and Secondary Schools grounds.
Tunapanda most of the fruit trees and also trees that can do well in such lands, mahali hakuna maji mingi. Reason being, tunataka at least cover the schools, to ensure at least kuna cover nzuri in every field, in every school around our area. Hizo ndio mostly the trees that tuna focus on hapa, and we work towards fruit trees mostly, so that even inapatia watoto changamoto, wakiona wamepanda fruit trees wanajua in 2 years tunaweza pata kitu from it. So it is also a way of bringing the psyche to the children, wasione tu ni miti tu wamepanda ya kawaida.
And we are glad that we are going to help in the growing of the trees. This is going to go a long way in ensuring that we keep the school and the environment green, and we thank God because the rains are also here.
Teens makomena hinyuma muingi muno no gya kuma hinya ogya kuhuthika wega no ma hutumira na njira tari njega nikio turenda hindi no mathite holiday matiki time we na kwina mbure mwe nyingi makorwo makihanda miti.